Lavleen asked for Gurjan, need to buy pressure cooker. Should I buy it from Amazon sale or it would be safe to buy it offline? Answer 1, buy from Amazon if you are getting discount. Answer 2, buy it on Amazon sale. Brand me online Hoya offline same hi Milga. Answer 3, you need not to worry from online if it's certified seller. One more thing, in few things I have found sometimes especially in household items that local shops tend to sell off things little cheaper than online to compete. Moreover, they tend to take care of things when things goes faulty if it's good local seller. Answer 4, try offline. Answer 5, online is fine, just buy a good brand like Prestige, Hawkins, Futura. You too have a question? Get answers in real time from local experts. Download Bush Lark from Play Store.